the trade on GBP USD we took from last Tuesday. So it's been 2 days now holding this trade. As you can see, this trade is just 0.02 small lot size, and it's making $13 right now. And you can see where I took the entry, and then price bought up to this area, pulled back close to the entry. I still did not close. My stop loss is at the top, and then price is now trying to break this low. So once price takes out this low, it means structure is formally bearish. So we can see we have a sweep of a previous high, then we have a change of character by sweeping the previous low. So this means that price is telling us that yes, I was bullish before, and the last important lower higher low here now has been shifted by this move. So we need, for price to continue to be bearish, we need a new lower high. Okay, so price comes up to make this point here, and then the moment price breaks this previous lower low and gives us a new lower low somewhere here, it means the change has formally, authentically changed from being bullish from these areas to being now bearish. So currently it is trying to break. If we get a full break, then it means the trend has formally changed. This is from the 1 hour time frame, formally changed to a bearish trend. So what does this mean? It means we should expect that at least the move from up here to down here, this swing from top here to down here, this swing here to here, we should expect that if there is this break of structure, price should give us a similar movement from, let's say, the break here to somewhere here. Okay, we should expect a similar distance or range of movement up to somewhere here. Though after price breaks any previous low, you should expect some kind of a pullback. So if it breaks it, there's going to be a pullback. But if we are taking this trade, our stop loss is the last lower high, which is here. If price breaks this low and goes down and moves up again to take out this high, then it means this whole change to the bearish move was not sustained. So we need to still wait to get a proper confirmation. But if price breaks, makes a little pullback and does not go up to take our stop loss area, then we should expect a move like here, this distance here and here. We should expect this swing to happen from below here to somewhere down here. So this is what takes me to the daily time frame, where I can see. So the daily time frame looks like we were bullish. This is the last low. Price goes up, takes out it, retests, and then it's trying to break. Once we break, we get a new lower low on the daily time frame also, which is going to be very, very great, because on a daily time frame, if you have a lower low on a daily, if you have a break of structure on the daily time frame, that means that the trade has the potential to travel very far. Okay, so for today, the TP for today and tomorrow, Thursday, so this is the trade for the whole week. The TP is around somewhere here. I'm expecting price to play up to at least, let's say, here. Okay, and then I can close some profit up to somewhere here from the daily time frame, expecting the break and then the push to the downside. It could happen today. It could also play around and happen tomorrow. Yeah, but risk low on this trade, as I am doing. So you can see on 0.02 we are in $14. That's a very good trade. Yeah, so this is real account, and you can see. So that is it. I've been in this trade since Tuesday. I'm expecting price to move towards the anticipation, and then before I can take some profit or close. But then on the long term, I expect price to sell up to some down here. I expect price to break this low on the long term. Okay, but we're going to look at that later. Yeah, so this is just a short update that I'm giving you guys on this trade so that you will take advantage. So if you don't have an entry on GBP USD or Euro USD, please get an entry. Euro USD is the same thing. As a matter of fact, I'm in this trade on another account. I'm in this trade on another account here. This is a small account. Okay, so the same trades: Euro USD, GBP USD. Okay, Euro USD, GBP USD, same trades. Okay, same trade. As you can see, this also, the entry is from the top. I've been holding it for from Tuesday up to now, and I added a new entry around here. Okay, if you, as you can see, the Euro USD to the entry is from the top. I added another entry, and then I added another entry. Okay, so this is the way we do it. I think I should be on the same trade on this account too. Okay, so the same trade should be running on all the accounts, right? The same trade is running on all the accounts. GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro USD. And that's also because the DXY is bullish. The DXY is breaking the highs now, which explains why Euro USD is also breaking the lows right now, similar opposite directions. So as long as the DXY keeps pushing up, let me see the daily. Yeah, so the daily I should target somewhere here on the DXY or somewhere here, okay, for today. So as long as it breaks up and keep to push up to this area, this trade is going to continue to be successful, right? So that's it for updates right now. And then be sure to join the live session, and then let's trade live all together. Let's take some new entries at New York session, because this is still London session. So we want to take some new, see what will happen at New York session, if there's going to be a pullback, and then we can take some new entries or monitor our trades to see how it's going to perform. So see you in the live sessions, and God be with you. Take your time, be patient, study the market from the higher time frame, use normal structure price action to understand the market, make it simple, okay, and look at the reactions in the market. Where are buyers, where are sellers, where are buyers, where are sellers, what is the reaction that they are giving us, right? So that is what is going to help. Yeah, this is gold. Yeah, so let's see if gold is going to break down to make a new lower low somewhere here. If gold breaks down, then it means formally there is a kind of a break of structure, and then there should be a clean traffic for gold to trade, to sell up to somewhere down here, right? But if it's bullish, it's still, as it is, it's still bullish, because we haven't been able to break these supports here. It's been tested 1, 2, 3, the third time now. So let's see, and then we have a small support in the middle here. So let's see if this resistance point, this selling pressure, is going to push to crash this internal support. If this internal support crashes and we get a pullback and fails to get a new higher high above this resistance, then price is going to reach out to the clean traffic zone and keep selling. But if even we break this internal support and price is able to push up, breaking this resistance here or lower high it's making here is going to be the bullish confirmation, and a small pullback or retest, we can buy gold to the upside. Okay, so this is just a quick something, and yeah, see you soon.